Imagine a world where you could seamlessly send messages between different messaging apps without any hassle. That's the promise of blockchain interoperability, the ability for different blockchains to communicate and share data. Just like being able to easily connect with friends on different platforms, blockchain interoperability opens up a world of possibilities for decentralized applications and services. But why is this so important? Well, the current blockchain landscape is fragmented, with hundreds of different blockchains operating in isolation. This lack of interoperability limits the potential of blockchain technology. It's like having a bunch of islands with no way to travel between them. You're stuck with limited options. Interoperability aims to bridge these isolated ecosystems, allowing for greater innovation, collaboration, and user experience. It's about creating a network of networks, a truly interconnected blockchain space. One of the first steps towards blockchain interoperability is cross-chain technology. Think of it like building bridges between those isolated islands we talked about earlier. These bridges allow for limited communication and asset transfer between two specific blockchains. A prime example of cross-chain technology is atomic swaps. These allow you to directly exchange one cryptocurrency for another without relying on a centralized exchange. It's like trading baseball cards directly with a friend instead of going through a shop. Another common cross-chain solution is bridges. These are more like dedicated bridges connecting two blockchains, allowing for the transfer of tokens and data. However, both atomic swaps and bridges have limitations. They are often bespoke solutions, meaning they only work for specific blockchains and require significant development effort. While cross-chain technology is a step in the right direction, it's only the first step towards a truly interoperable blockchain future. Multi-chain technology takes interoperability a step further by creating networks of interconnected blockchains. Imagine these networks as interconnected cities, each with its own unique characteristics and governance, but connected by a common infrastructure. Platforms like Polkadot and Cosmos exemplify the multi-chain vision. Polkadot utilizes a central relay chain that connects various parachains, allowing them to share security and interoperate seamlessly. Cosmos, on the other hand, employs a hub-and-spoke model, where independent blockchains, zones, connect through a central hub. This multi-chain approach offers several advantages over isolated blockchains. It allows for specialization, where individual chains can focus on specific use cases while still benefiting from the security and interoperability of the broader network. It also promotes innovation by allowing developers to build on their preferred chains without being limited by the constraints of a single ecosystem. However, challenges remain. Governance and scalability are major concerns, as coordinating between multiple chains can be complex. Additionally, the security of the entire network can be compromised if a single chain is vulnerable. Looking towards the horizon, we see the emergence of Omnichain technology. This represents the next evolutionary step in blockchain interoperability, promising seamless communication and interaction between any blockchain, regardless of its underlying architecture. Protocols like LayerZero are at the forefront of this Omnichain revolution. They aim to create a universal messaging layer that sits above all blockchains, enabling them to communicate as easily as sending an email. Imagine being able to send a message from your preferred social media platform to any other platform, regardless of who owns it. That's the power of Omnichain technology. Omnichain has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of innovation and collaboration in the blockchain space. It could lead to the creation of truly decentralized applications that leverage the strengths of different blockchains, free from the limitations of siloed ecosystems. However, Omnichain technology is still in its early stages and many challenges need to be addressed before it can achieve its full potential. The distinctions between cross-chain, multi-chain, and omnichain are crucial for understanding the evolving landscape of blockchain interoperability. As we move towards a future where blockchains are no longer isolated islands but interconnected components of a global network, understanding these technologies is paramount. What are your thoughts on the future of blockchain interoperability? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.